Good morning, students. Today we're going to talk about how to predict weather and let us learn how to read weather maps. First, you will see this video in the end of how to make a cloud in a jar using hairspray. And as many meteorologists are the scientists who are equipped to help us learn how to tell weather, and they also explain weather maps. Now, if we live in the South, and which we do, you live in the South, how to predict weather. One common type of weather that people in the low country have to deal with is hurricanes. As a student, you want to be able to at least be aware of your weather and severe weather and knowing when to go and get inside, which we pretty much, because since we've been young, know that when it gets too cloudy outside, you need to stand and go inside. Um, Meteorologist is a scientist who studies and predicts weather. And some other things you may see in this video are isobars, which are lines on a map connecting points with same air or atmospheric pressure. You also have something called isotherms, which is a line on a map connecting points with the same temperature at a given time or on an average over a given time. So today, scientists use charts, maps, computers, and other technology to predict weather. You have short range weather predictions, which are fairly reliable now because of the technology. And short range would be like 5 days. We have satellites which orbit the Earth's exosphere, and that's the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. Cameras on these satellites make images of the Earth's surface, clouds, snow covers, and storms. The data is collected by satellites, which include information about temperature, solar radiation, humidity, wind direction, and wind speed. I'm sure you've seen these symbols: the sunny, the cloudy, overcast, thunderstorms. The one that I may not have really noticed before is rain at night, because normally if it's raining at night, I'm asleep. Here we also have something called weather symbols. The weather symbols that represents cloud covers are here. Zero meaning the sky is completely clear, and nine meaning that the sky is 100% cloudy, which you basically don't see any, you're not able to see any of the sky at that point. Um, Another thing you may need to also be aware of, we also have what we call weather front boundaries. These symbols are seen on the map for representing cold fronts and hot fronts and stationary fronts. And then they have something called occluded fronts. We don't really need to know those right now. Additionally, online, I actually had something about weathers and knots and knowing the wind speed. But we won't get into that today. What we're going to do now is just take care and talk to you